Hello everyone. So in this particular video, we are going to understand about the drill concept in a Power BI. What is a drill means? Drill is nothing but a go into the more depth, or you can say detailing. You can say detailing. Now suppose I have created one chart. That chart is showing me the sum of sales. This is the sum of sales it is showing, and based on the year 2017, 2018. Now with the help of the drill up and the drill down, what actually we can do, we can go into the more detailing. So you can see in a order date, right? In a order date we have a one hierarchy for the date, like first the year will be there, then the quarter will be there, then we will have a month, and we have a day. So if you have this kind of the hierarchy column, then you can use a drill up drill down. Now here once you will create this chart, right, you will get one option for the drill up and drill down. So as of now it is in year, right? Now further you want to see this record for the further you want to see it for the based on the quarter, you can see the quarter result. If you further you want to see for the based on the month, you can see that. Further you want to see it for the day, you can see that. Means you can go into the more detailing layer for the particular sales for that particular year. So that's what actually we can do with the help of the drill up and drill down. So let's do a practical. Let's understand. So I have opened my Power BI desktop. I will create a new page, and here what I will do, I will create a sum of sales and based on the order date. So in the order date you can see we have a date hierarchy right side, right? So in a date hierarchy we have a year, quarter, month and day. Now if I will make it big, so you can see as of now for each year, for each quarter, for each month, all the day it is showing me the data. For everything it is showing me data. But suppose I want to go into the, here you can see we have drill up and the drill down. So as of now I am in a more in depth level, but I want to go into the up. So if I click on the drill up, you can see now it is showing me the quarter, year and the month only. Now if I go drill up, it will show only the quarter and the year sales. If I go one more hierarchy, you can see the year wise sales only it is showing me. So from a lower level to the upper level if you are going, then you can use a drill up, otherwise you can use a drill down. Now here you get one more option, go to the next level in the hierarchy. So as of now we are in 2016-17, right? If I'll click here, you can see now the quarter level sales is coming. If I'll go into the next level, month wise sales you can see. If I'll go into the more level, day wise you can do an analysis. So like that actually we can use a drill up and the drill down. I hope you got the idea about the drill concept.